This 2024 Coachmen Freelander 27QB Chevy 3500 is a Class C RV. It is located in Mesa, Arizona 85202 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Mesa. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2024 Coachmen Freelander 27QB Chevy 3500 is built on a Chevy 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.